Hey, what's up all? So right here I'm checking out the Vanon batteries. Now these are replacement batteries. This one's for my Ryobi. It's a 4 amp hour rechargeable lithium ion battery. And let me tell you, this thing has lasted a really long time. Now they plug in right to the normal charger that you get with Ryobi. They offer a bunch of different brands too, and you're gonna save a little bit of money when you purchase these batteries compared to the actual Ryobi brand or the main brands of the other ones that they support.
So the great thing about this, it fits perfectly with the Ryobi charger. One thing I did notice with this though is that it just continues to flash. It does not go solid like the original Ryobi batteries, but you do have this option in the front where you press the button and you can see how charged it is.
Here, my old battery was about half the size of this, but it was not 4 amp hours. That was probably about 2. But this one, it lasted a really good amount of time. So now I got 2 of these, plus my actual Ryobi one, which was kind of on the way out, which is why I wanted to find a inexpensive but reliable replacement. And these Vanon batteries have really been proving. We're probably gonna do a follow-up a few months down the road to make sure that the power actually holds in these and recharges well. But right now, I'm super psyched about these. 4 amp hours, 18 volts. They have a bunch of different brands that they support. So if you're looking to save some cash, you might want to check these out from Vanon. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon and I will see you in my next video.